Tugon mula sa kinatawan ng mga magsisipagtapos sa taong ito, hatid sa atin ni Sofia Beatriz G. Cruz, summa cum laude, Bachiller ng Arte sa Pilosopiya.
Isang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa ating mga mahal na magulang, pamilya, at sa lahat ng sa atin ay sumuporta sa kanilang walang sawang pagtangkilik sa ating paglalakbay patungo sa katuparan ng ating mga pangarap. At syempre pa, isang nag-aalab na pagbati sa mga kapwa nating konsensya ng bayan sa ating pagtatapos ngayong araw na ito.
Today, we share in the joy of reaching an important milestone in our lives. After years of hard work, sleepless nights, and balancing acts, we are finally here to share in our collective triumph. Wearing our sublies with great pride, we are all eager to graduate and face the next chapter as we continue to write the story of our lives. Today is the fulfillment of one of our many dreams. That is to be called a graduate of the University of the Philippines. Lahat ay handang harapin ng taas noo at buong tapang ang bawat hamon ng kinabukasan.
Subalit, hindi niyo ba napapansin na lagi na lang sa bawat pagtatapos ng mga scholar ng bayan, iniharap sa atin ang hamon ng mga problema ng ating lipunan, ang mga issue sa pamamalakad ng ating pamahalaan, ang matamlay na ekonomiya, ang lumalaganap na kahirapan at kriminalidad, at marami pang iba. Lagi na lang, patuloy na nagiging hamon ang korupsyon na nanunuot di lamang sa may kapangyarihan sa negosyo at pamahalaan, kundi bumabalot na para ng isang kultura sa ating lipunan. Lagi na lang, hinahamon tayo na maging lunas sa mga problema ng ating bayan, na maging handang maglingkod sa bayan. Lagi na lang ay paulit-ulit na pinapaalala na ang nagtaguyod sa ating pag-aaral dito sa UP ay ang buwis ng mga mamamayan. Kaya tararapat lang na tayo ay maglingkod sa bayan. Ngunit, sa nagdaang panahon, ilang graduate na ba ng UP ang namuno sa ating lipunan? A recent article written by a proud UP alumnus noted that 6 out of 17 presidents of the Republic, 16 out of 28 Chief Justices of the Supreme Court, 14 out of 24 Senate Presidents, and 14 out of 27 Speakers of the House of Representatives all graduated from the University of the Philippines. This list does not even include the captains of industry and business leaders who are also proud UP graduates. This begs the question: if UP graduates have taken positions of great responsibility and leadership in our country through the years, why are we still saddled with the same problems that we face today as a people? These leaders of our nation once stood in the same place we do today, excited with their graduation and eager to serve the people. They likely heard speeches with the same theme, a call to arms to provide solutions to what ails our nation, and ending with an exhortation to serve. But what has come of them since? We have seen leaders of our nation use what they have learned from the hallowed halls of our university to shield the powerful from being held to account. We have seen former scholars ng bayan use their gift of gab to sow disinformation and intrigue, to divide us, to serve their selfish ends. We see UP graduates make it to the Forbes list of Filipino billionaires on the backs of the exploited multitude. UP graduates hold the keys to sweeping societal reforms only to turn their backs on their promise to serve the people. and end up serving themselves. Sadly, we have seen countless UP graduates, frustrated with our nation's fate, succumb to sheer apathy. This leads us to ask ourselves this question: what makes us any different? Alam nating lahat na ang Kolehiyo ng Agham Panlipunan at Pilosopiya ay ang pangunahing institusyon ng pag-aaral at pagsisiyasat na sumasaklaw sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Dahil dito, ang mga nakapagtapos sa ating kolehiyo ay tinaguriang mga konsensya ng bayan. Kung kaya't hindi lamang taos-pusong paglilingkod ang hamon sa bawat isa sa atin, hindi serbisyong makabayan, kundi serbisyong makatao ang kinakailangan. Yun bang may tunay na malasakit sa kapwa-tao? Iyan, sa wari ko, ang siyang pamantayan ng isang tunay na konsensya ng bayan. Isang taong handang ialay ang lalim ng kaalaman at lawak ng pananaw upang magbigay ng karampatang tugon sa mga suliranin ng bayan, patungo sa isang kultura na maghatid sa ating lipunan sa isang malaya, payapa, at masaganang kinabukasan. Ngunit maraming nagsasabi, bagamat pabulong, lagi na lamang bang bayan muna? Lagi na lamang bang bayan bago sarili? Sa palagay ko, ang malasakit sa bayan at pagkalinga sa kapwa ay hindi dapat mga hulugan na kailangan natin isantabi ang ating mga pangarap para sa sarili at sa ating pamilya. As my father taught me, doing well for yourself and doing good unto others are not mutually exclusive. I tried to apply this lesson well in my years in CSSP. I still remember being a wide-eyed freshman entering UP with a singular goal: charting a respectable academic record that could lead to greater opportunities in the future. Embracing the ethos of a true konsensya ng bayan, it did not take long for me to realize that succeeding academically was not enough. I felt the need to get involved. After all, CSSP is not just a college. It is a community that needs tending. Thus, I heeded the call and served in the CSSP Student Council and later joined the University Student Council as the representative of our college. In both instances, I ran as an independent candidate without carrying the colors. My most enduring memories in the college will be those spent with the Maninindas, security guards, and college staff whom I had the pleasure of working with.
They are real people with real needs. I would not have had these experiences if I did not choose to get involved. On the other hand, I also witnessed what divisive politics could do. When I was elected CSSP representative, UP did not have a university student council for the first time since martial law. To me, it was not due to the apathy of the student body. It manifested a yearning for true leadership that champions the concerns of the community above all else. These experiences made real to me the oft-repeated claim that UP is the microcosm of our society.
It provided a glimpse of how we can navigate the future and fulfill a desire to serve and make impactful changes in our nation. On a personal level, it also made me realize that it was possible to do well for myself while doing good unto others. Napatunayan ko sa aking sarili na hindi kailangan isakripisyo ang sariling pangarap sa ngalan ng taos-pusong paglilingkod. Mahalagang alalahanin na sa bawat nagtapos sa UP na tumalikod sa ating mga adhikain bilang mga eskolar ng bayan, mayroong laksa-laksang nagtapos sa ating kolehiyo na taos-puso, bonggaling at tapat na naglilingkod sa bayan. Sila ay nagsisikap sa iba't ibang larangan at paraan, maging dito sa ating bayan o sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo. patuloy silang nagbibigay dangal sa ating pagka-Pilipino. Handa ba tayong lumahok sa kanilang hanay? Sa harap ng tukso ng kapangyarihan at kinang ng yaman, handa ba tayong itaguyod ang malasakit sa kapwa at bayan? Bilang mga konsensya ng bayan, alam nating lahat ang nararapat na tugon sa mga tanong na ito at sa hamon ng ating panahon. Naway magbunga ang lahat ng ating dalisay at wagas na mga pangarap para sa isa't isa at para sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkikinig.